FLOKI is retracing at the moment, but how far is it going to go? And what can we expect next? Because this, what's happening right now, have been planned in the last update, and it just played absolutely perfectly. How is it possible? Simply by using Elliott waves. Look at this. Was looking simply here for this pink wave 5 and for a retrace from this first or second target. And if you go down the chart and you add this, we simply got this nice pullback from the first target. So now we are simply going to look for the wave 4 as we've planned really. After this, you have this nice wave 5 completing, so either here, completing the green wave 3, and after this comes the green wave 4. So this is the only thing we need to do at the moment. Look for the wave 4 retracement, and at the moment you can see we did bounce it by the way from the MC fib, the levels here we have created at MOONCHARTS. It's not because we want to create some fibs, simply because based on statistics, you can see again we have some nice bounce of this. We've got this on NVDA, on many assets, it even worked here on the stock, so it's pretty cool. And so now we just have completed the wave 5, okay, the pink wave 5. What we was looking for in the pink wave 5 was simply, for a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, either as always an impulsive, either an ending. I don't know if I can find this right here. I was showing this normally. Well, we did got the ending, so to speak, a wedge in the wave 5. You can get either, so a wave 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, much bigger push to the upside, or a wedge to the upside, so to speak, a 5 wave like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You have this nice wedge, and then you come back down. This is valid when you have the wave 4 that breaks the wave on top like this, if you're in an ending or a leading. This is not an impulsive, so to speak, not this kind of big 1, 2, 3, or 5, so it's absolutely fine to get this wave 4. I go between the wave 1 and the wave 2. It can just not, of course, break the wave 1 route. So now the thing is, we can remove these targets. We don't really care anymore. We've got the retracement, so now we can look simply for the pullback. How can you find these targets and add this on your chart? It's very simple. You just have to take the retracement tool. I'm just going to go on the bit of a bigger time frame, such as the 4 hours, and from here you just have to go on the log scale to be able to catch the tops and bottoms a bit more easier. So you place the first click on the wave 3 top, and you second click on the wave 3 root, or the wave 2 bottom, really, it's really up to you. From here you add the following targets. Wave 4, so the 23.16, 31.32 the MC fib, and the 38.2 plus the 50%, as these days we like to do some big wave 4. From here, in that case, you have these nice targets on your chart, and this is simply where we should get a bounce and look again for the wave 5. I'm going to post the wave 5 targets on the Discord server. I'm not going to do this now. I'm not going to do this now simply because we're in an extension. So to speak, if we want to find now, for example, the wave 5 target, and we don't know if the bottom is in, so if we want to find now, for example, the wave 5 targets, the way to do this normally, simply by taking the extension tool, first click on the wave 1 root, second on the wave 1 top, and third on the wave 4 bottom. The thing is, if I add the wave 5 targets, what we can see here is that the maximum target brings us with what? A truncated wave 5. So a wave 5 has stopped before the wave 3 top, and as we're in a massive uptrend, and generally speaking, it's a lot less probable. So the most probable is to go above. So you can see it's impossible by using the fibs to find the targets. So how can we recognize where this is going to stop? Well, simply by adding the higher time frame wave count targets, but it's still in an extension. So what we can do here is simply to do the smaller wave count into this wave 5. For example, oops, this is Bitcoin. We're going to look for here, if we have to bounce, we're going to look, for a 5 waves impulsive to start. So for example, 1, 2, and then we're going to get another wave 1, 2, and bam, 3, 4, 5, and we're going to simply count all of this, and then in that case, 3, 4, 5, and we're simply going to add these smaller wave targets, and we're simply going to pay attention to these waves, really. For now, we don't know yet if the bottom is in. This is a buy zone, so to speak. You have this nice long trade, just gonna control everything. Perfect, and so to speak, you have this nice long trade at the moment on this asset. Again, there is no any financial advice. Everything is possible. It's a bit risky here, as we don't know if Bitcoin is going to be in a bull market or not, because the thing is, if Bitcoin get a massive pullback, everything is going to follow. So we can literally crash from here if Bitcoin decide to crash. It's a lot less probable, I'm not going to lie, but everything is possible. That's why behind every single trade, we do not jump all in, we do not put our house in a trade, we have to risk not more than 2% of the whole account. So to speak, for example, if you take a trade, this stop loss will be placed. So either if you're scalping this, you read the order flow, you can simply place it on the bottom we're going to do because you spot the good long reaction. Otherwise, you can play your stop loss around the 618, 66%, a bit below this, just in case we do a quick week down here. And so this will become the long trade like this. So next we can look for higher price. So the risk reward, if we just go take the high, is not the best, but there is always a possibility of going a lot higher than this and get a nice continuation. And so it brings us with a better risk reward. Okay, so yeah, this is the way you can trade this. And yeah, as I said, get a risk management. Do not jump all in. Be careful trading. Okay, it's risky to trade as always. There is a risk when you open a trade. Understand this risk. And as always, when you, for example, enter here, adapt the quantity. If you want, for example, jump in here, place some limits below. If everything gets filled and the stop loss is hit, well, this will not be a loss more that is not more than 2% of your whole trading account. Is extremely important if you want to become profitable on the long run. You can make some big money with no risk management, but at some point you're gonna get wrecked, and I can tell when you're gonna get wrecked, it's gonna hurt very big and you're going to blow up your account. You will see if you try. You will see. You can be lucky, but most of the people, it's not like that, and they're just blow up the account really because, well, just because of one trade with no risk management. So make sure to get this risk management. It's extremely important. So I'm not gonna make this any longer. It's updated. Now we can simply look for the move to the upside into the wave 5 and just make sure to join the Discord server. Everything will be there waiting for you. I'm updating really all of this. And yeah, if you want to learn your waves, again, don't forget to go and check out the MOONCHARTS.fr website. You have 3 contests there waiting for you. The first contest will be on the 4 first Elliott wave courses that is already available. You can find this here into the course section. Elliott wave, you can find this right there, the basic rules, and you can find to your account page the calendar, so you know exactly when is what. For example, here every Monday you will have a course, and every Wednesday you have a Q&A on the course before, and then in April you have this nice first contest, and all of this for absolutely free. And the 4 first courses, there are 10 at the end, but the 4 first courses represent really more than half of the fully wave course. You have a bunch of crazy stuff in there. This is really more than 5 years of my own experience with your waves, so it's quite a while, to be fair. And then of course we continue with some more courses for apprentices, but already with the 4 first courses, this is absolutely insane what you can get in there, and you can learn your waves. But anyway, go and check out the account page, go and check out the calendar so you know exactly when is what. And don't forget to link your Discord account so you can stay updated on Discord. And well, just talk with everyone really here. Post your TAs, follow the trades, follow the updates, and you are good. Anyway, have a brilliant day as always. Take care of you. If you enjoy the content, don't forget to smash that like, subscribe to the channel, turn notifications, and catch you all in the next one. Cheers.